boys and girls. So in today's video we will draw airplane and ant, and in the previous videos you learned how to draw apple and alligator. So today we will draw airplane first. So this is the airplane. So you know what the airplane is? With the help of airplane you can travel from one place to another, and this mode of transportation uses air to travel. And do you know that we have three modes of transportation? One is the air transportation, that is airplane. Another one is the road transportation, like you use bus, train, and one is the water transportation, that is our ship. So today we will do airplane, that is the air transportation. So let's draw airplane today.
It's A I R P L A N E. So for making airplane, first thing we need to draw is one oval shape. So the oval shape which you have to draw is, this has to be broad from this side and narrow from this side. So for the shapes, you can also watch my previous video which will show you how to make different shapes. So here we will draw one oval shape, but make sure it has to be broad from this side and narrow from this side. So let's draw oval shape. And then close it from here. So after that, you have to draw the back wings. So here also you have to draw oval shape, like one. We don't have to close it from here. So this is just like the U shape or the oval shape, but we don't have to make the complete circle. And another wing here this side, and one tiny wing here. So the same way we have to draw two wings here, one this side and one this side. After that, one half circle, and after that one curve like this, again one more curve, and after that we have to draw 5 circles. These are 5 small circles. So we'll start from here. Number 1 circle, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then number 5. So now the airplane is completed. So once you draw it, after that you can color it whatever color you want. If you want, you can keep it white also, and just for the circles you can fill the colors. Like in these circles I am doing blue crayon. So I want my airplane to be white. If you want to use different color, you can use different color. And in the wings, I'm using another color. So I would like to use brown. So airplane is the mode of transportation which uses air to travel from one place to another. So I know all of you must have taken the airplane ride, right? So now it's completed. Okay, so now you can draw it and then you can color it. So next we will be drawing is the ant. So the next picture in today's video, we will draw an ant. So it's A-N-T, ant. So the ant has two antennas, and for this ant, we will draw a circle, the oval shape, and eyes, mouth, and the antennas. And do you know some interesting facts about ants? Do you know that ants don't sleep and they can carry 20 times their body weight? So they have these legs, these are very thin legs, and they can carry all their body weight. And they don't have ears. So these are some of the interesting facts about ant. So let's draw an ant today. First of all, we have to make a round shape to make a circle. So for the circle, you can use any round shape, or if you can draw it with your hand, you can do that. Like you can use this type of bottle or any bottle which is round in shape. So I'll be drawing it with hand. You can do whatever way is easier for you. So for drawing face, first of all, draw one circle. Okay, so we draw one circle. After that, we have to draw one oval shape, but make sure it has to be big U kind of. So let's draw it. So from here, like this. After that, another one you have to draw is a little bit bigger than this. So again from here with these 2 points, we'll start and draw another oval shape, or you can say the U shape. But it will not be curved from this side. And after that, you have to draw 2 eyes, 2 big eyes, and mouth, and 2 antennas like this, and legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You have to draw 8 legs. And again for this, you have to draw curves. 1, 2. Later on we will color it. 1, 2. Again 1, 2. So our ant is completed, and now you can color it. Now let's color this ant. So for this I am using orange color, yellow color, and red color for the mouth. So in the face we will do orange, and here also we will use orange. Make sure that there has to be no white space in between. So you have to completely fill it with color. Wherever you see white space, just fill it with color. So I'm using crayons. You can use crayons or pencil colors or whatever colors you like. And after that, in these stripes we will use yellow color, and here we will use orange color. Or the stripes you can use brown color also for the stripes, because the stripes are darker color. So I'll be using brown here instead of yellow. So in these stripes, I'm using brown. First stripe and second stripe. And the third stripe. And here also one was left, so I'll fill it with orange color. So this is done, and in the mouth you can use this red, and in the eyes, in the inner portion, do it with black sketch pen. So the ant is completed. So now you can draw it. And I hope you like my videos. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video where we will draw astronaut.